Good morning everybody, Rob Howitt from RJH Motorbike Training over in Manchester. Kawasaki Z650 is on the ramp for its monthly checkover and came across an issue which is taking a little bit of thought. The main reason for this video is just to emphasize going on even into our own maintenance workshops where you know, there is a correct tool for every job, so don't try and do a job without a tool. The problem we came across, and I'm going to get John to just point out and show you, but the problem we came across, John, was what?
We had the front sprocket, the drive nut itself must have been over tightened at the factory. Because what we had to do was use oxygen and acetylene to heat the nut.
And how did you get on with that?
And we couldn't get it to break, sorry, with a standard half-inch breaker bar,
right?
Which is somewhere, but
so it took a bit of persuasion.
A lot of persuasion, and we in the end, Mr. Howitt here from RJH treated us to a nice Milwaukee.
Milwaukee, yeah.
Was good.
Okay, so I'll pop a link down below for that. It's not a cheap bit of kit, but. And what did that do then, John? What was the?
It's just it impacts the nut off.
So a lot.
Yeah. So if you
lot more strength.
Off.
And that was, and I mean that was nothing that we'd done as instructors looking after the bike, because that hasn't been touched since it's came out of the factory. So somebody in the factory had really tightened that up. So yeah, great. So you can crack on now then, John, can you?
No problem.
Thanks very much. Okay, all the best everyone. Hope that little video just emphasises the correct tool for the right job. Speak to you later. Bye.